Welcome to the Head Teacher Zone. Well, the Head Teacher's office anyway. A lot of important things happen here, including creating and reviewing safe systems of work, or SSOWs. While it might look like yet more paperwork, SSOWs are actually a crucial part of health and safety in schools. They break activities down into specific stages to help identify all the hazards, assess the risks, and put controls in place. And using SSOWs where they're needed allows you to prevent accidents before they happen and keep everyone safe. They also help to make sure that activities in school comply with the Health and Safety at Work Act, or HSWA 1974. Safe systems of work contain certain key elements, creating a structured approach to making tasks safe. Let's take a closer look at those elements.